Between 2003 and 2009, Volkswagen produced the fifth generation of its highly popular Golf, known as the Golf Mk5. At first glance, it presented itself as a well-rounded, practical hatchback with solid build quality, a refined driving experience, and a wide range of engine choices to cater to different drivers. However, as with any used vehicle purchase, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each version is crucial to making a smart buying decision. The Golf Mk5 can be an excellent choice if chosen carefully, but neglecting to research the details, especially the engines and common faults, can result in costly ownership. The Golf Mk5 offered a diverse engine lineup, ranging from economical diesels to high-performance petrol units. Starting with the petrol engines, the entry-level option was the 1.4-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, producing around 75 horsepower. While this engine is reliable when maintained, it is underpowered for the Golf's weight and struggles at motorway speeds. Next in the range was the 1.6-liter naturally aspirated unit, available in both 102 and 115 horsepower versions depending on market. These engines are generally dependable, though oil consumption can become an issue on higher mileage examples, and performance remains modest. Moving into more advanced technology, Volkswagen introduced the 1.4 TSI engines, available in various states of tune from around 122 to 170 horsepower. The twin-charger version, which combined both a supercharger and turbocharger to achieve the higher output, offered impressive performance and efficiency for its size. However, this technology came with complexity, and these engines are known for timing chain issues, piston ring wear, and problems with the supercharger clutch. The 1.6 FSI and 2.0 FSI engines, producing 115 and 150 horsepower respectively, brought direct fuel injection to the Golf range. While offering better efficiency and power delivery, the FSI units can suffer from carbon buildup on intake valves, leading to rough idling, loss of power, and expensive cleaning procedures if not addressed. For drivers seeking strong performance, the GTI variant came with a 2.0-liter TFSI turbocharged engine, producing 200 horsepower. It delivered lively acceleration and strong mid-range torque, making it one of the most popular hot hatches of its time. However, the TFSI is known for timing belt maintenance requirements, carbon buildup, high-pressure fuel pump cam follower wear, and potential water pump leaks. At the top of the petrol range, the Golf R32 housed a 3.2-liter VR6 engine with 250 horsepower, delivering a distinctive exhaust note and naturally aspirated performance. The R32's engine is generally robust, though it can develop timing chain tensioner issues and, due to its weight, places extra strain on suspension components. On the diesel side, the Golf Mk5 offered several options. The entry-level 1.9 TDI, producing 90 or 105 horsepower, is renowned for its durability and fuel efficiency. This engine is one of the most reliable in the lineup when properly maintained, though dual-mass flywheel wear and EGR valve issues can occur. The 2.0 TDI, available in 136, 140, and 170 horsepower versions, provided stronger performance but came with more risks. Early 2.0 TDI PD Pompadour's engines are notorious for camshaft wear due to lubrication issues, as well as problems with injectors, oil pumps, and diesel particulate filters in certain markets. Later common rail versions addressed many of these faults, but buyers should verify which type is fitted to the specific car. Transmission choices also influence reliability. The Golf Mk5 could be fitted with a manual gearbox, which is generally dependable aside from expected clutch wear, or the DSG dual-clutch transmission, available on certain petrol and diesel models. While the DSG offers quick, smooth shifts, early versions in particular are prone to mechatronic unit failures, clutch pack wear, and require strict adherence to fluid change intervals. Ignoring DSG maintenance can lead to expensive repairs. Beyond the engines and gearboxes, the Golf Mk5 has a number of known issues that buyers should be aware of. The suspension system, particularly the front control arm bushes and rear springs, can wear prematurely, causing knocking noises and vague handling. Steering racks can develop play or start leaking. Electrical faults are not uncommon, ranging from malfunctioning door locks and window regulators to dashboard warning lights triggered by faulty sensors. Water ingress into the cabin, often through blocked plenum chamber drains, can damage the comfort control module located under the carpet, leading to various electrical malfunctions. The interior, while generally well put together, is not immune to wear. Door cards and soft-touch plastics can degrade, headlining can sag with age, and air conditioning systems may lose efficiency due to compressor or condenser faults. On high-mileage cars, the heater blower resistor may fail, leaving the fan inoperative on certain speed settings. Exterior trim can fade, and certain paint colors are prone to lacquer peel if exposed to prolonged sunlight without care. Rust protection on the Golf Mk5 is generally good, but buyers should still check wheel arches, door bottoms, and the tailgate edge for bubbling paint, especially on cars from harsher climates. Accident repairs done to a poor standard can also compromise corrosion resistance. While the Golf Mk5 represents a strong contender in the used car market, thanks to its balance of comfort, handling, and practicality, selecting the right engine and verifying the car's maintenance history are key to avoiding costly problems. A well-maintained 1.9 TDI can deliver hundreds of thousands of reliable miles, while a neglected 1.4 TSI charger can become a financial headache. Similarly, a GTI or R32 that has received timely servicing and careful ownership can provide an enjoyable driving experience for years, whereas a poorly maintained performance model can drain a budget rapidly. In short, the Golf Mk5 is a car that rewards careful selection. Produced between 2003 and 2009, it offered a wide spectrum of engines and trim levels, each with its own set of characteristics and vulnerabilities. Approaching the purchase with thorough knowledge of these details and an eye for signs of poor upkeep can turn a used Golf 5 from a potential liability into a dependable and satisfying companion on the road.